Hi guys, this is a OneScooter team tutorial on how to install a peg. So like a district peg or loader, whatever you're using. Right. What you're going to do is take two Allen keys, going to remove this bolt, not the whole bolt, just the little threaded bit, and then you're going to want to have your peg. I've got a district but it's gone really bad, yeah, and then you're going to want to put this. It's probably a better idea to have put that on the end of like an Allen key, so it's just easier to put inside like that. Then if you're like me and you've got like the bolt is actually too long, you're going to want to have a little spacer, so put that on, then start to hand tighten it like with one bit. Then after a while it'll get a bit harder, or not. Oh, well, it hasn't for me, but it usually does. So you're going to put your peg on like that. It's been OneScooter tutorials on how to put a peg in. Right, see ya.